In this video, I'm going to show you how to create landing pages in GetResponse without need for any website or domain. You can use these landing pages to promote your products, offer lead magnets to collect leads, and get signups for webinars, etc. So let's get into more details on this. Landing pages, you can promote your offers or you can promote your products. You can collect leads to build your email list. You can promote your webinars and get signups and lot more things you can do. So here what you can do, right? You can create sign up page, you can modify page layout, you can view the layout in mobile view, and you can do couple of settings also for the landing page. You can set SEO settings for the landing page. You can do contact list where these signups will go, and landing page URL, like how you can access the landing page. So you can use your own website or you can use GetResponse subdomain to access your landing page, and also analytics setup, like if you are running ads on Google, Facebook. If you are running ads on Google or Facebook, you can put tracking code here to check how your ads are performing for your landing page promotions. Right. So without further delay, let us go into the actual demo of the software to see how it works. So for creating a landing page, we're going to use GetResponse. So you can go to getresponse.com to access this software. If you don't have any account, you can sign up for 30 days free trial. The link for the free trial is available in the description of this video. So I already have an account, so I'm going to log into my account and show you the process to create a landing page. Response software. So let's see what are the options you have. You can do email marketing, you can create funnels, you can create landing pages, you can create forms and surveys, you can do autoresponders, you can create automation of your email messages and webinars, right? Yep. So there's so many things you can do using GetResponse. Today we're going to only see about landing pages and how to create them for your product promotions or collecting emails. So you just go to menu, click menu and landing pages. The landing pages options is, these are my existing landing pages, but we're going to start creating a new one by clicking on create landing page. So even if you are new, there's a lot of templates available for your landing pages. So you can select any of the available landing pages for your landing page creation. You can modify them as per your needs and use them, right? Or you can do build from scratch and create your own layout and create your own layout for the landing page. Right, these are different types of landing page templates, general templates, sign up and registration, different forms of sign up templates, promotion templates, where you can promote your products or offers, downloads, Suppose if you are giving a lead magnet or ebook to your customers, you can use these templates and offer your ebook either to collect leads or either to promote your ebooks. If there is a sales page templates, as the about me templates, if you are a personal coach, a digital coach, you want to drive traffic to your website or blog, you can use these templates. There's webinars templates. So if you're running webinars, you can use this webinars template to collect leads and create signups. There's a video template. There is templates for thank you pages, and also there is template for holidays. So you can if you have a particular idea you want to create, you can choose one of these templates and get started on the use those templates to create your own layouts, or you can just go for a blank template and create your landing page. So in our scenario, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page from the build from scratch templates. So let's see what are the templates available. So these are the templates available for build from scratch. So you can select any of them. So let's select this template. So you can name your landing page here, like say emails, sign up, email newsletter, email sign up form. Then you can see here. So this is the name we gave it to the form. Then we can go to the next step. So these are the templates pages that are imported. So let's go to next step. We can edit, modify the layout and edit as per our requirement. So as you can see, this is the template we got. We can put a brand logo, image, you can put some headline. So this is how you collect name and email and download. So this is the button, right? So you can put like here some text. Please sign up to get my ebook. Right, so you can ask for name, email, and you can it's either download or sign up. So we can rename this button as sign up, right? And this is a variant 1. You can do variant 2 if you want to test with multiple landing pages. You can do that, and there is a thank you page as well, right? So here it says enjoy free ebook of exclusive ebook, download now, thank you page. So you can actually add different layouts, modify them here using this menu on the right side. We have sections, drag and drop product boxes, right? Let's see, I'm just going to show how each element will work. So this is the section you can create. So this is a new section that is created. Then you can add so if you have a store, you can add products onto the landing page, but right now we're not going into that. So you can add text, right? So you can add images and buttons. So if you know like how a page, how to build a page builder, how to build a page in normal WordPress or anything, it's easy to do this here. Or even if you don't know how to build pages, it's just drag and drop. So you can just put text, buttons, images wherever you want in the page and check it. There is also some static forms, so you can pick pop-up forms, static forms, add it here. Like this, a pre-built forms, you can use them, and just like this form, we can add these forms as well, right? So there's a pop-up form here. This is a pop-up form. So you can the pop-up form, so you can use either sign up form, exit pop-up, download form, fixed bar, image form, and scroll form, and all that. So on the landing page, if somebody is leaving your page, you can do an exit pop-up and create another offer for the user, right? Something like that, or you can offer a download ebook or something like that using this download form. If you think if you need to put a fixed bar, so it will be on the landing page, it will be always be visible on the page, right? So all those options are available on the form, right? And this is shapes. You can put shapes on the page, right? Different shapes. And this is webinars. You can do a webinar on the page, right? You need an option for that. It should be part of your plan. And then countdown timer, so you can just put a countdown timer when it should end. So this timer will start, and so suppose your offer is only valid for a couple of days, you can just put the timer, and so that timer will show the countdown for your landing page offers, right? Then you can add a video. You can just embed a video into this, and you can add social share icons. Right, you can add any of the social share icons on the page so that people can like your page, share your page, all that, right? There's the payment options available. If you are trying to create buying experience directly from the landing page, you can do that buy buttons and all, right? And also finally there's a custom code. If you want to customize, you can add a custom code, but we're not going to go into that. So if you see, there's a lot of options available to like create a landing page layout and GetResponse, and you can easily create a landing page without much coding knowledge, right? And we can view the mobile view how the page looks, right? This is how the page looks on the mobile view, right? You can actually add or delete elements in the mobile view. You can resize them, right? So that's the mobile view. Let's go back to this, and you can resize the pages, right, by extending the layout. So you can resize them, so you can make it longer and add more elements, right? So you can add more elements on the page. You need more elements on the page and all, right? So this is the basic layout of creating a sign up page And you can as well check on the mobile version how it looks. And if you need to extend the page length, so you can extend by clicking on the layout, that section. Then you can save it. You can save as a template, so you can use it for landing page creation for future uses, right? So this is how the landing page is done. You can explore these elements once you get access to the software. Let's go to the next step. So this is the mobile version. So these are the settings for the landing page, like SEO settings, what is the page title, what it will do. So you can put a description of the page to collect email leads, right? So don't check this box, otherwise your page will not be visible to search engines. And landing page URL settings. So this is the URL where your landing page will be available. You can use domains from GetResponse, so that's why you don't need any website and all. You can just name your page like email collection, subscribe me now or something. Or if you have already a website, you can add that website to your domain here. Right? You can add multiple websites, right? The instructions are available for this page on how to add a domain here. And then the subscription settings. So this is where your signed up emails or leads will go into the list. You can choose existing list, or you can choose an existing list or create a new one. You can choose an existing list here, right? And also you can send a default message to users once they sign up, so that you can set up here. And the analytics and remarketing is done here. You can choose Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, all other platforms, and tracking is if you need a tracking on this on the landing page for analytics. All right, so those are the settings available. And so once you are happy with the settings and yep, on the page layout, you can just do publish. Yes, your landing page is created. So let's see how the landing page looks, right? So this is your landing page, and this is the countdown timer that we added. So you can share this URL to your potential leads and customers, and you can collect the leads from your customers. So this is how the landing page is created in GetResponse. If you click on the like button, click on the share button to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.